Okay, so for today, we are going to make cookie with marshmallow. Okay, so we have, what is this? This is margarine. Everybody, margarine.
Margarine.
And we have eggs. What is this?
Marshmallow.
And we have, what is this?
Chocolate chip.
What is this?
Sugar.
Okay, so we have two kinds of sugar. We have white sugar and brown sugar. So this is a baking soda, okay? We use baking soda for this kind of cookie that we are going to make today. So what is this?
Flour.
Okay, so we have flour. And here, this is baking soda also. And this is a salt. And we have, okay, so now we are going to measure the dry ingredients first. We are going to measure the flour, baking soda, and salt first. Okay, let's start. Okay, here. Pour in 1/2 of flour. Okay, who will do it first? You have to. And then sieve it first. Next, who will do another 1/2 of flour? Next, go get changed. Next, abos. Because I have to control the measurement of the baking soda. So we have to put 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And then 1/2 teaspoon of salt. It's already done. Okay, so now we leave this one first and then we'll go for the margarine. Or you can use margarine and butter. Okay, who will squeeze this one here? You do like this one? Who will do it? Two cups.
อย่าเพิ่งพอภูเขาคนด้วยดิอะไรเดี๋ยวคนนี้ก่อนคนทุกร้อยขับหนึ่ง
Okay, keep putting flour. Put it here. Like this one, you have to scrape the bottom. Do it like this and then mix again. Okay? Okay, you do it. Some more. Oh, very delicate. Very. Is it sweet? Very. Okay, this one is finished.
อร่อยพอดีเลย
Wait,
ระวังท้องอืด
I will get the baking
เมื่อกี้มาหมดแล้ว
and we will use this one for the cookie. So from the other side, we scoop to this side and press. Understand?
Yeah.
And then this one, when you put it here, you are going to press this one so that the cookie will go out. It's easy. Understand? But when you scoop from here, do not press it like this one. Okay, just slowly do like this, side, and then release. Understand? Okay, you try. You wait.
เธอบอกสโลว์ทำคนละก้อนพอไปพูด
put marshmallow. Okay.
เดี๋ยวก่อนทำอย่างก่อนนะคะ
Six.
ซิกมันใช่ไหม
Six. Yes.
ขอเลย
Okay.
จะไม่หนักมากเลยจะตั้งอยู่ทำspace มีกดหน้าไม่มี
Picture. Okay, so this time we are going to put the cookie in the oven. Close the oven now. But slowly. Whoops.